Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student, and how are you today? I'm fine, and I hope all of you in the good condition. Okay, student, this is our fourth meeting. This is our fourth online class, and in the previous meeting, in the previous study, we have learning about isai, we have learning about paragraph, and we have learning from the basic, from the introduction of uh, English writing. And in this meeting, in fourth meeting, we will discuss about the part of writing, that is revising and editing. Okay, but before we start our material, before we continue the material, let's open our meeting today by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so we have learned about to build a strong paragraph and essay, but the secrets to truly great writing lies in revision and editing. Your first draft is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you refine and polish your work. Yeah, in this meeting, we will discuss about the difference between revising and also editing, and provide strategies for mastering both. Okay, so we will start from the revising. Yeah, revising is the big picture. Yeah, revising is about making a big picture change to your writing. Yeah, it's about looking at the overall contents, overall structure, and flow of your work. Think of it as reconstructing the entire building rather than just repainting a room. During revision, you might add new idea. Yeah, because in revising, yeah, you must to strengthen your argument with additional evidence or example. You also remove unnecessary part, yeah, cut out anything that does not directly support your main point. And then you also must rearrange section, yeah, for improve the logical flow of your idea. And you also clarify confusing sentence, yeah, for make your writing easier to understand. Then you improve the overall flow and logic to ensure your idea connects smoothly. Okay, to guide your revision process, yeah, there are many question for yourself. Yeah, this is the key question. Yeah, does my writing have a clear central idea or thesis, or is the information present in a logical and organized way, or are my argument or explanation fully developed? That is the example of some question for you when you revising your writing. Yeah, by the question you can do, or you can revising your writing to become more better. Okay, so there are also revision checklist. Yeah, revision checklist. Yeah, let's use a checklist to make sure we're through, like a clear thesis or main idea, logical flow of idea. Our writing is enough for supporting details or not yet, or our writing is smooth transition or not. That, yeah, you will checklist one by one. And for checklist, if you're successful of checklist, you can have a good writing, better writing. Okay, so the example of revising, I will give you some example of revising. Yeah, the original sentence, like a pollution is bad for people, it's very basic, it's very original. You can revise it with air pollution significantly impacts human health, contributing to respiratory illnesses, cardiovascular disease, and premature mortality, particularly in densely populated urban area. Ya, you can see the difference between the original and revised. Yeah, see how the revised sentence is much more specific, much more details and impactful. Okay, and then the second is editing. We will discuss about the editing. Just that is revising. Now we will go into editing. Editing to polish the details ya. Editing comes after revising. Don't forget ya. Editing comes after revising. It's focused on the small details, the surface level improvement that make your writing clear, accurate, and professional. Think of it as meticulously painting and decorating the building after the structure is complete ya. Editing involves fixing the first you must focus on the grammar mistake ya, like a subject, verb agreement, or tense consistency ya. And then the second is spelling error ya, typos and misspelling. And then also from punctuation ya, correct use the commas, periods, semicolons or colons. There are also word choice ya, selecting the most precise and impactful word. You can also there are sentence structure ya, varying sentence length and structure for better readability. Okay, in the revising, I have give you some revising checklist. In editing also, I will give you editing checklist. You can checklist if you have complete the editing. The first is proper punctuation and capitalizations. Yeah, have you used punctuation correctly or not yet, and capitalize proper nouns. Yeah. And then the second is no spelling or grammar error. You must focus on the spelling and then the grammar. Make sure on your writing no spelling or grammar error. And then the third is sentence variety and clarity ya. Do you have a variety of sentence structure? Yeah. Or are you sentence clear, concise, and easy to understand? You can make sure your writing is have a variety of sentence structure. Okay. So then the next is common editing errors. Yeah, like let's look at some common error ya. Run on sentence ya. Combine multiple independent clauses without proper punctuation. Or comma splice, using a comma to join two independent clauses without a conjunction. Okay ya. So there are strategies for revising and editing. The first is read aloud ya. By read aloud, you can hearing your writing, because hearing your writing is help you catch awkward pressing or unclear sentence. And then the second strategies is get peer feedback. A fresh pair of eyes can often spot errors you have missed. And then take a break ya. Returning to your work with fresh eyes make it easier to identify problem. And then the last is use grammar and spell check tools. These tools can help, but don't rely on them entirely. Yeah, they are not perfect. Okay, that is our material today. Yeah, you will focus on the revising and editing, and I hope all of you know the differences between the revising and editing. Okay, before I close our material and before I close our meeting today, as usually I will give you task ya. This is task 4 ya. Because in the previous we have task 3. Thank you very much for all of you that have submit your task 3 on time. The task ya is choose one pieces of your writing and revise it ya. Focus on content and structure and then edit it, paying close attention to grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Okay, choose a piece of your writing and revise it. Focus on your content and the structure, and then edit it, paying close attention to the grammar, spelling, and punctuation. So compare your final draft to the original. Compare your final draft with your original. You will see the differences. Okay, I will remind you again. Revision and editing are essential for producing high quality writing. Okay, that is your task 4. You can do your task. I will give you deadline 1 week. You can submit it on Google Drive before our next meeting in the next weeks. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. And before I close our meeting today, let's sing hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much for joining this class. Thank you very much for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.